Hi everyone, this is Nishant from Simply Interiors. Today we are going to do a walkthrough of a 3 BHK house which we recently finished. The total budget for the work that we are showing here is around 15 lakhs. It will go up because the client has given some additional work as well. The customer basically wanted one of the rooms to be converted to a kind of a study cum guest bedroom. So for that reason there are a couple of foldable fittings also there, including a bed as well as a study table. In addition to that, we have put a lot of different kind of finishes, including liquid acrylic in some very interesting forms, which we will be going through here. So we'll start with the walkthrough. The first, as soon as you enter this house, what you see is a partition as well as a shoe rack. So this has been made in veneer with melamine polish, and the handles have been customized, so they've been purchased specially for this kind of a unit. The partition, as you can see, is made in tinted glass, which I had mentioned earlier as well. So this tinted glass, like you can see, adds a little bit of glamour and also provides the kind of partition that is needed here, the kind of privacy which is needed for the dining room which is inside. As we move on, there is the TV unit, which again is pretty well made, along with some tea putties and all. This TV unit has been made in liquid acrylic. Opposite to that, we have built the wall as well as the sofa. We have done this false ceiling again in liquid acrylic. So this is veneer on which liquid acrylic has been polished to give it this glossy finish. This again is a very simple yet nice design which has been done just to highlight the dining table. Moving on, there is this amazing cabinet which you can see. So this is a turquoise color cabinet made in liquid acrylic, and this has been specially custom made for the client. Custom made colors, custom made polishing, custom made patterns, everything has been customized for them. And next to that is this puja unit. This puja unit has been made using laminate, along with, so once you open the door, you will actually see a etched glass, and which has some lighting all around it. There is a CNC shutter on the front which has been painted. The CNC shutter has been made in MDF, the rest of it has been made in plywood. Moving on, there is the modular kitchen. The kitchen has been made in laminates used from Merino, and again the color is almost identical to something which we also have in our Hyderabad Experience Center. It is the same blue and white combination, and in this case we have put J profile channels along with a lot of fittings, including thali, cutlery, bottle pull-out, quadro channels, etc. There is also a tall unit, as well as the lofts have been put here. Everything has been done in soft close, and all the glasses are frosted. Then as we go to the master bedroom, there is a very interesting dresser there which I would like to cover first, because that is something which you don't see anywhere. This is again a very customized piece of furniture which we have made using a combination of flexi ply as well as liquid acrylic. So as you can see, it has been curved, and we have also put a bidding all around it in that gold color. Apart from that, there is a normal sliding wardrobe with a couple of sliding doors, and the channels are from Hetic top line, and tea putties have been put in rose gold just to give it a bit of more decoration. So the beading on the wall has also been done. So this is a little bit different from what you normally get. So plain walls and all don't look really nice, and this can add that extra bit of flavor to your entire room. Going on, like I had mentioned earlier, we have the office bedroom. So this is an office cum bedroom kind of a setup. So there is a foldable table which you can just unfold whenever you want to work. Then there is a storage unit where they wanted to keep their linen and all those things. And then there is a foldable bed as well. So that is also a pull down queen size bed. It kind of leaves the room open for their normal gymming and all those things which they are planning to do. And whenever needed, just pull down whatever is needed and use that. So this is a very interesting concept which we've not seen. So even though the space was available, they still went for foldable fittings because they wanted that empty space as well. Moving on to the parents' bedroom, it's a standard bedrooms which you normally take. So there's a hinged wardrobe with 6 doors, along with loft. There's a study table with some storage unit. So this is what we have done across the house. If you have any comments or any feedback to give, please do so, and you can reach out to us for your interiors at www.simplyinteriors.in. Apart from these videos, you can also see a lot of photographs in our project page for the same project at the link below. So please like the video if you liked. Thank you so much. This is Nishant from Simply Interiors.